17 years old, $50, a broken vending machine from a garage sale. His mother said he wasted his money. She wasn't wrong. Yet, Jamal spent $30 fixing the machine. He negotiated with a local barbershop owner. It was placed near the entrance. Week 1, $23. Week 2, $31. Week 3, $44. He reinvested every dollar. By month 4, a second machine. By month 8, he had 5. The real unlock came at machine number 7. He wasn't just a kid with vending machines anymore. Local businesses started calling him, asking if he'd place one. He now had leverage. He raised his location standards, only high traffic, sites, gyms, office lobbies, university corridors. Each new machine, $180 to $140, month passive, 30 for machines by age 21, over $6,000, month, no employees, no office, no university debt. Jamal didn't invent anything. He didn't code anything. He didn't borrow anything. He bought a broken machine, fixed it, and placed it where hungry people already were. Then he let the machine work while he slept. His teachers worked 8-hour days. His machines worked 24. Are you the one who finds opportunities and solutions that nobody sees?